Okay, I definitely have some explaining to do. Hi guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is May, and for those of you that have been with me since the start of this Hermes journey, thank you. I know it's been a wild ride. There's been a lot of emotions, a lot of frustrations, a lot of happy moments as well. But today I have a little bit of explaining to do. If you have been watching all of my uploads from my Hermes journey, then you will recall the video where I said these are the specific things that I don't know if I used those words, but I said that I wouldn't be adding from Hermes. Now I will insert this clip and then let's dive into the Calvi, another one that I feel as a card holder is just very impractical as well. And to that, I have this to share. I know, hear me out. I know we're all here in a free judgment zone, so I know I don't have to explain myself to you guys, but I thought that I would film this video first to do this little surprise unboxing, and second, sort of to share with you guys why my feelings changed. Even though in that video I did mention that I didn't see myself adding either a Calvi or a Bastia piece into my collection, after owning their Kelly Pocket Compact Wallet, which I surprisingly got offered by my SA one day that I walked in and just asked for it, to be honest. And that's one tip that I will give you: if you want anything, just ask, because you never know, you might be surprised like I was that day. I ended up buying it and it has been my go-to wallet since then. And then I just went on a rabbit hole doing more research in regards to some of their other small leather goods, in particular their colored small leather goods, because yes, Hermes does neutrals very beautifully. You guys know how I feel about the color Etoupe. And of course, gold is my all-time favorite. However, they are one of those fashion houses that I feel have some of the most stunning color palettes out there for purses and small leather goods. On the purse side, I'm not too adventurous with color. However, I love looking inside of my handbag and just seeing pops of colors everywhere. So, as you guys can see, this is a true unboxing that I will be doing with you guys. We're gonna get into what it was that I ordered. I will share with you my thoughts, and then we'll do sort of like a little more review kind of thing in regards to it. So quick story time while I get this thing opened. I did reach out to my SA and I sent her a picture in regards to the color that I was searching for this particular piece. If you guys don't follow Hermes Bomb over on Instagram and you are a Hermes lover, or you're just embarking in this Hermes journey, or you just want some fun eye candy, then I definitely recommend that you go ahead and follow her. Okay, this box is kind of like impossible to open. As I was saying, Hermes Bomb actually shared a picture of this new color that they were releasing. It is Shocking Rose, or Rose Shocking, and then another type of pink tone as well. And I thought, how fun would it be to have a really like cute small leather good inside of my bag in one of these colors. So I reached out to my SA and I was like, hi, how are you? Here is something new that Hermes Bomb popped up on her Instagram, because we have actually talked about Hermes Bomb before. And I told her I would love to see if you can find this piece in these shades. And she didn't answer me, which I was like, oh my god, she must be so fed up, because I had literally gone to see her like 3 days before that. I also just uploaded that haul. This is why this is kind of like a surprise upload and unboxing. So anyways, I went ahead and texted her. She didn't write back to me, and I was like, that's fine. It's happened before. And that's something about, you know, the Hermes SAs or the Hermes journey that I've realized. I mean, first you can probably text your SA and she might be out of the boutique that day, like it might be her day off, or she just might be really busy. So be patient, you guys. Go ahead and send them a text message of something that you're after or something that you're interested in, and then just give them a couple of days to get back to you in regards to whether or not they can source it for you. Let's go ahead and unbox it together. So it came wrapped in this bubble wrap here. And she, as I said, she did send me a picture that she had this one, so I'm assuming that it's coming straight from the boutique. Can you guys guess? Can you guys guess? So inside, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I mean, I'm hoping that I'm gonna keep it. I 99.9% think I am, because I did ask for pictures before, but you never know. So we have this little box, and then Oh my god, I can already see it. It's so cute. To introduce to you guys the Calvi Duo, and the color is Rose Azalea. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correct, but I will pop it up on the screen. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's actually even better than I imagined. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick minute to inspect it. Love the color. Oh my gosh, you guys, she is even cuter than I expected. I mean, my nails are the newest color from the nail polish that I unboxed in that unboxing video. So just so you guys have like a little comparison, hopefully it focuses. I feel like my camera never wants to focus. There we go. So look at that. I love it. It's kind of like a neon pastel, not pastel. It's definitely not like a bright neon pink, but it's definitely within the neon family. Oh, I'm so obsessed. So it is the Calvi Duo, as I said. So when you open it up, you have the basic little Calvi pocket here, and then you have an additional little pocket here. And aside from that, you also have a back slit pocket here. So actually, let me check what is the leather that this one comes in, and I'll give you guys pricing as well. So this one was $5.50, and it is the Wallet Calvi Duo Epsom calfskin, and then Rose Azalea is the color. So yeah, oh my gosh, it is so cute. I can't believe I'm so excited about this piece, because as I said, I had done that video and I really didn't think I was gonna be adding this, but when I did do that video, so many of you guys actually commented and were like, I love my Calvis, like they are so fun, they're so like actually really easy to use. And my biggest concern in that video, which is what I mentioned, was that when you open the Calvis, you basically just have two slip pockets like this one, and I just felt like your things would just be all over the place, so it would be kind of uncomfortable to use it. However, I started doing some more research, and actually my sister-in-law just added one of these. She got it in the Vert Cypress, I think. It was a cute little pastel green, super adorable. And when I went over to their house to visit them, I actually saw it and kind of was playing with it, and I was like, wow, this one sort of makes sense, because yes, you still have that slip pocket here, which I can go ahead and put like the credit cards, my ID, my health insurance, my car keys, things like that. So it'll take up enough space where the cards won't be sliding. But then what I loved was that you do have an additional pocket. So even back here, I can place my cash if I'm ever carrying cash, which is totally not the case, but we'll get to that in a minute. And then anything else that I feel like might be loose, I can go ahead and put it in this little pocket, and it's just so adorable. Or vice versa, I can put in here my cards, and then I can put anything else that I have laying around in my wallet on this lip pocket or in the back part. Now, I also thought that this would be a great travel piece, because when we do travel, I tend to carry just a little bit of cash on me just in case. I also have coins, hence the little pocket would be great to put my coins in there. And then just my go-to regular cards and stuff will go up here. So yes, tell me what you guys think. I love, love, love the color. I will be bringing right now my wallet just to switch over the things and kind of share with you guys how they do fit in here. I also wanted to point out, which I mentioned to my sister-in-law, but I was kind of scared to mess with hers a little bit and then be wrong, but I just tried it on this one, and I did see that, let's say maybe you put things in here and they're kind of difficult to bring out. This part, you can actually just slide it out like this. So it'll be super easy to bring anything that you have in there out, and then you can just go ahead and slide it back in, and she fits just like that, and you can go ahead and close it. So super, super cute. I mean, once again, the leather is just absolutely delicious. Yeah, let me go ahead and bring my other wallet. We'll switch my things in here, and then I can go ahead and give you guys a little bit more of my opinion. So we are back. Let me fix my hair. We have a combination of a variety of things just because we were on a trip, and this was the wallet that I took with me. This is my Louis Vuitton key pouch in the 2022 Christmas animation. And then this is the Kelly Pocket Compact Wallet, which I was using before. So I left a few of the things that I normally carry in here. Let me go ahead and take those out. And then my go-to cards and stuff are in here. As I said, I don't have any cash. I think I have a quarter. So that's about it. And then here is the Kelly one. So I love this little wallet, you guys. It's so cute. Wow, I have cash. I have a whopping $2. So yeah, this is holding up so well for the amount of times that I've used it. And I honestly, like, I'm not careful with it. I just move it from bag to bag and I put it, you know, in my other bag and use it. I love it. So let's go ahead and take out my things that I normally use. And let's go ahead and put them in my new little wallet. All right, so let's see how we go about this. I think I'm gonna put in here like my go-to things that I will be grabbing mostly. So that's gonna be my debit card, that's gonna be my ID, card key, health insurance, and then my go-to credit card. So we have all of that here. That's gonna go here. Okay. And there they are inside. So obviously if I fold it, yes, the things will slide out, but when I go ahead and close it, it's gonna close fine like this. And then just when I open it, I'll just have to turn it around and then pull out whatever it is that I need to use. So far so good. In the little pocket, what I'll probably end up doing is just adding like the other things that I normally keep with me, which are little like memorabilia. Is that what you would call these things? So I have something from my aunt that passed away. I have a little note from my husband that he gave me once, my $100 bill in the gold foil, and then I have two $2 bills here, which I've always carried with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the little pocket here. So there we go. Place that in there. Carry that like so. And I just have that there because obviously I have no cash. I guess what I can do is place my cash in that pocket as well, just so that it takes up a little bit more space. So there's the cash. And then everything else I'm just gonna put in the back. So I have a couple of business cards. I have a $25 gift card. $25 gift card. Interesting. Had no idea that was there. And then I have my business debit card and then a backup credit card. So that we can put here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for that gift card. I wonder if it has any balance in there. So all of that is in there. She closes up like so. So is it a little bit overstuffed? She might be, right? You think so? I'm not sure. You guys let me know if you own the Calvi, if you feel like I overstuffed it. I don't know if it's supposed to kind of like open up like this. It looks like a little... What are those things with the pearls inside? An oyster? So yeah, I might have to take out a couple of things just to make me feel a little bit more comfortable. But this is more or less the, I mean, she closes fine. So I think it should work. I'm so excited, you guys. The color is absolutely stunning. I definitely think that it was a piece that I needed to give a chance to. As I said, I was searching for something with a fun pop of color, something that it would be kind of like a pleasure to grab from the inside of my handbag. And this color is so stunning. So yeah, this is my newest little addition from my Hermes journey. I hope you enjoyed this quick little impromptu unboxing, and I hope to see you guys all in my next one. Bye everyone.